Okay, so let's talk about NX task pipeline, how we can cache a particular task. So let's say you are running a build on one project that takes 2 seconds. If you are caching that build task, then that will happen instantly in the second execution, right? So when NX is supporting all these tag, it is really very vast. And we are talking about simple TypeScript monorepo, right? And here we are creating a simple task pipeline. This is the extension of the previous example. Let's see if I override my NX JSON with this. So this is my NX JSON. Can override. And here you can see what I'm doing is I'm setting up the cache true, type check cache true, and build for this cache true. And when I am running build, pm script, whatever the task which has been enabled for caching, you can see that here. And you can see the build is also dependent on two other tasks. So if you are running a build on the Jew, then it is also running the build on two other dependent project. And here also you will be able to see if what all are cache task. So here we will see the dependencies. See index.js. And this is our Jew project. And here you can see this has the dependencies of both. So when I'm running the build, then it is running the build again in the animals and in the names in both the dependencies. So here you can see when I'm running this command, it is actually reading this exiting output match the cache left as it is, right? So it is just getting this done as fast as possible. It is not compiling and doing the build again because it is reading this from the cache, and we have already enabled the cache for this task in the NX JSON. All the other tasks also like type check and the lint will be run from the cache. So now let's add one more project. A simple JavaScript package project here in the same workspace. It will take some time, but it will adapt accordingly to the workspace settings and will get entry inside our NX. Here we got the package. So this is all about NX, how to set up different projects, NX task pipeline, how we configure the NX, different commands, and how we can use the NX console plugin to run all these automated tasks, how we can cache the different set of tasks, and how to build a task pipeline where we can define the dependencies.